In this modern era, it's hard to go anywhere and not see concrete. Hey, I'm Colin, and I'm a proud employee investor here at Gregg Distributors. And I'd like to welcome you back to Gear Up with Gregg's. Maintaining your concrete driveway or patio shouldn't be a hassle. That's why today we're going to go over a piece of simple to use equipment that can help keep your concrete looking brand new. Chapin got its start way back in 1884 in Oakfield, New York, where Ralph E. Chapin was working in a hardware store selling kerosene. At the time, he wanted to improve the design of the poorly made kerosene tanks since they were prone to leaking. He decided to start selling his own custom design tanks and was so successful in doing so that he soon ditched the hardware store altogether and started his own manufacturing business. By 1903, Chapin had begun manufacturing its first sprayers. Since then, Chapin has expanded massively, and today its headquarters covers 700,000 square feet. There, sprayers are built, tested, packaged, and shipped all over the world, including right here to Gregg Distributors. So, why do you need a sprayer for concrete? Well, while concrete performs adequately if it is never sealed, a good quality sealer every few years will extend its life. This is especially true if your driveway or patio has stained or etched concrete. Driveway sealing should also be considered if you live in an area where winter road salt can eat away at the concrete. The benefits of a concrete sealer, depending on the product used, include enriching the color intensity of the concrete, adding sheen or gloss to the surface, making the concrete easier to clean and maintain by blocking the penetration of dirt, oil, grease, chemicals, and stains, preventing the surface from crumbling, preventing the intrusion of water and chlorides, which minimizes freeze-thaw damage, and protection against abrasion and wear. Applying a concrete sealer can be an easy project for any DIYer. All you really need is a good sprayer. Speaking of which, sprayers can range from industrial grade solvent dispensers to garden variety pump-up styles. You can check out our video on Chapin's home and garden sprayers on our YouTube channel. The type of sprayer that should be used can depend on a number of factors, including square footage, type of sealer, and the carrier used. But let's get into our selection of Chapin sprayers and some of their great features. When it comes to concrete work, this open head industrial sprayer is Chapin's most popular unit. With a 3.5 gallon capacity and solid brass hardware, it's great for applying curing compounds, form oil, waterproofing, and other coatings. A great feature of this dispenser and all of Chapin's industrial concrete sprayers is the tri-lock opening. This 3-position sealing system prevents the lid from being damaged or flying off if it's loosened while under pressure. But if you're looking for something compatible with more extreme chemicals like acetone, look no further than Chapin's Dripless Xtreme sprayer. Its heavy-duty construction can handle everything the industrial model can, plus high concentrations of acetone, naphtha, xylene, and toluene. This makes it a powerful and versatile sprayer, and its dripless trigger grip keeps your job as clean and comfortable as possible. Looking for a sprayer that is more geared towards professional concrete workers? This is Chapin's Xtreme concrete sprayer. It's designed to handle some of the strongest chemicals used by concrete professionals. It features extreme seals like the Dripless sprayer, a 3.5 gallon stainless steel tank, and a 4-inch wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning. This sprayer also has a brass pump, wand, and shutoff valve to guarantee that the internal components will not break down when strong chemicals are being used. The wand on this sprayer also has a lock-on feature, so you can spray continuously without having to squeeze the trigger. The last Chapin sprayer we are going to look at is the industrial poly concrete sprayer. Loved by professionals and DIYers alike, this sprayer is a popular choice due to its lightweight yet rugged durability. The 3-gallon poly tank has a wide mouth opening for easy filling and cleaning, and a built-in pressure relief valve. It also comes equipped with a 36-inch brass wand, and the same brass features as the Xtreme concrete sprayer. The nitrile seals and gaskets on this sprayer are also suitable for a variety of concrete and industrial chemical applications, meaning the poly concrete sprayer is ideal for the economically conscious contractor or DIYer. To use a concrete sprayer is a straightforward process. The main thing to keep in mind is you want to work in thin, overlapping layers. Multiple thin coats are much better than one thick coat, as it will help to prevent pooling and uneven coverage. 2 or 3 coats, depending on the sealer, should do the trick. Now that we know some of the details on these popular sprayers, here are some tips for cleaning and caring for them. Always empty and clean the sprayer after each use. But don't use strong cleaning agents or abrasives, as they could cause unnecessary wear, damage, or a chemical reaction within the sprayer. To properly rinse out the sprayer, fill it with water, pressurize, and spray through the nozzle in order to clear it of any remaining chemicals. When storing your Chapin sprayer, remember the following. Always store your sprayer out of direct sunlight in a cool, dry space. And before another freezing Canadian winter, make sure to drain all the liquid from the unit to avoid damage from freezing. Finally, before each use, inspect all components for wear, damage, or leaks. And repair defects promptly. When service is required, always insist on original Chapin manufactured replacement parts, which we carry here at Gregg's. Now that we know the ins and outs of Chapin concrete sprayers, make sure to check out our other YouTube videos. There's plenty more to learn here on Gear Up with Gregg's. But if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know in the comment section down below. Or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Colin, and thank you for watching some great Canadian content here on Gear Up with Gregg's. Canada all the way, eh?